Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download SoFi app to invest in crypto holdings, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred app store on your mobile device. If you are using an iPhone, go to the Apple App Store. For Android users, navigate to the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type SoFi and press enter. Look for the app titled SoFi, Invest, Borrow, Save. Make sure it is developed by SoFi Technologies Incorporated. Tap on the app icon to view more details. Review the app's features and ensure it meets your needs. Click the download or install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, locate the SoFi app on your home screen. Tap the SoFi app icon to open it. If you're a new user, select Sign Up. Fill in your personal information as required. This may include your name, email address, and phone number. Create a strong password for your account. Read and accept the terms and conditions. You may be asked to verify your email or phone number. Follow the prompts to complete the verification process. Once verified, log in to your newly created account. Navigate to the section for crypto holdings. Explore the available cryptocurrencies for investment. Review important information, such as market trends and expert insights. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to invest in. Choose the amount you want to invest. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your purchase. Set up any necessary payment methods if prompted. Once your transaction is confirmed, you will see your crypto holdings reflected in your account. Regularly check your investments and market conditions through the app. You are now ready to manage your crypto portfolio with the SoFi app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.